हाय आज सुबह में उठ के हम लोग आए हैं पर्डिडो बीच पे। और ये है पर्डिडो स्टेट पार्क। यहाँ पे जैसे मैं खड़ी हूँ और अब मेरे पीछे भी देख रहे हैं, ये पूरा बोर्डवॉक बनाया है। और जो पीछे ये जो सैंड ड्यून्स वो सब है वो प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया है। यहाँ पे स्पेशली ये जो छोटे से जो श्रब्स की तरह दिख रहे हैं उसमें बहुत बर्ड नेस्टिंग होता है और वो प्रोटेक्टेड स्पीसीज़ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे है। और दूसरा जो है एक वो यहाँ पे बीच माउस होता है। शायद मैंने कल भी बात किया था, वो जो बीच माइस है जनरली माउस सुन के बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग नहीं आता है, बट ये जो बीच माइस है स्पेशली ये सब एरिया में वो यहाँ पे इकोलॉजिकली बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। वो लोग स्प्राउटिंग एंड सीड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में बहुत हेल्प करते हैं। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द लाइक अर्बनाइजेशन एंड एवरीथिंग ये इसको स्पीसीज़ को नुकसान हो रहा है। सो वो स्पीसीज़ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है। ये बोर्ड वॉक वो सब है और ये सब प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया। यू कैन सी वो रोप लगाया है, आप यहाँ पे अंदर नहीं जा सकते हो, उनको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते हो। तो आइए देखते हैं बीच।
Hello, good afternoon friends. We are at the Perdido Beach, the state park here in Florida. We just crossed the border from Alabama and then here we are in Florida. You can see the parking spaces are here, not many. It's a state park and you got all the wooden trail which leads to the beach over here. And one important thing, you can see the booth. There is no attendant here and the parking is just $3. But if we cross over to Alabama, it was like $15 for the beach, which is a bit outrageous. So I would rather come here and spend my time. And you can see all this sand dunes. It's all the protected area. You can see you're not supposed to go over here. You can see hi. So we parked our car and off we go. Look at this protected area over here too.
ये जो है ये जो पर्पल कलर के फ्लावर्स दिख रहे हैं दैट इज बीच मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी प्लांट।
You can see over here sand dunes.
If you focus, can you see the hole in the sand dune over there?
Yeah.
So वो जो क्रैब्स है वो क्रैब ऐसा 2.5 to 3 फीट का टनल बनाते हैं, सो दे कैन एस्केप द प्रेडेटर्स। एट द सेम टाइम अभी जैसे आप देख रहे हो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर है, अराउंड 100 Fahrenheit, so they can escape the heat.
And this one leads to the picnic tables over here. You can see they got speedboat and I can see a ship far off. Very nice secluded place. It's like more like a private beach. Not many people, but nice. So let's go to the shade. It says stay off dunes. Can try to focus here. Okay, feels much better over here. This one's the beach. Yes, people get their own umbrellas to rest. Oh, it feels so good here. Just about $3. And this continues all the way to Alabama. And this way goes to Pensacola, Panama City. I can see a ship far off. Okay. can see the beach out from here. It's around 1 p.m. now. So next we'll be heading for lunch. We didn't go to the sand. See, 360-degree view. The sand dunes.
It's a big ship on the horizon.
It feels so good under the shade here. But a shelter, there's two shelters. And picnic benches too. Alright.
सो लंच किया हमने एक मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट में और अभी हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं चिकी एंड रो बार में। नहीं, हम लोग बार के अंदर नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम लोग जा रहे हैं उसका बाजू का रास्ते में। यहाँ पे डॉल्फिन क्रूज है 3 बजे का, 2 लोगों के लिए $52 लिया एंड अराउंड 1.5 to 2 hours क्रूज है एंड डॉल्फिन देखना मिल सकता है। सी इट्स नॉट लाइक ये डॉल्फिन वाइल्ड में है, so it depends whether we see or not. So hopefully we catch a lot of dolphins.
Hello friends, I'm back. So we're at the marina here. This is the parking area, and it's free parking, and you can see all the small boats parked. And this is the tiki bar, and this is where the lady checked us in. So we are a little too early, and reporting time is like 2:30, and the boat starts at 3 o'clock. So we are here exactly at 2:30, because sometimes the traffic might get really bad. You can see around here, and a lot of people. And then we'll just walk you down to the boat. And she told that the boarding time is like 2:50, 10 minutes before the boat starts. So maybe we'll just explore here. Okay, you can see the boats parked here. One dude is singing some country song. You can go further. They got fishing here. Wow, look at this. So many boats stopped. You can feed the fish here. Put some coins and get the feed. Here's a boat. Beautiful day. We just boarded the boat now. You can see the marina here. Beautiful day. You can feel the breeze. This looks like a Caribbean destination. The boat should depart in another few minutes. Here's the deck. Could be $1 million boat. So they're parking the boat over here. has just started. See around.
If there's a man overboard, man, woman, or child goes overboard, whoever sees that person, just keep pointing at him, yelling like a crazy person, man overboard, we'll get the boat turned around, I'll fish him out, if not, I'll call someone. There's a bathroom on board the boat, just right downstairs. Upstairs by the wheelhouse, we have soda, water.
You see a beach here.
Alright guys, again, welcome aboard. So these islands are approaching right now. These are part of a bird sanctuary. These first two islands are the bigger ones as you can see right now. They are open to the public. You're allowed to go ahead and beach your boat or any watercraft during daylight hours. Just can't go into the interior.
ये देखिए बीच में सैंड बार है, वैसे यहाँ पे इतना डीप है, थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे तो सैंड लेवल बहुत हाई है। आप देख सकते हैं लोग चेयर लेके बैठे हैं और बोट में चेयर लेके आए और चेयर से बैठे हैं।
See all the $1 million homes, waterfront. We are 20 minutes into the cruise. No sight of dolphins here. We have to go a little deeper. And this was the cheapest of all the cruises. The remaining were pretty expensive. This one was just $26 with all the tax and fees. Let's see. Trying to locate a dolphin. So you can see all the small boats. Try to zoom.
I need someone that I can grab to take on back to my hometown. It's a lonely night.
Like they're all the speed boats. You can see from another angle the right side of the boat speeding. Looks like the water is a bit rough this time.
If you think of the very front where you're going to do your Titanic moment is 12 o'clock, and the rear where you came on board the ship is going to be 6 o'clock. Just makes it easier to call it out direction.
Oh, Dick.
You guys in the back of the boat, he's coming towards you.
Back of the boat. Can it?
No, it's going to turn.
So we get the boat turned around just a little bit.
Carefully.
I'm a child of God on my worst day. I'm a child of God on every day is a good day. And you're the reason why
Trying to spot the dolphin. It's over there. Over there.
All right, now he's about 7 o'clock off the back left here.
Over there. Over there.
Cutting
It's
away
over
from
there.
us.
It's over there. Look this way.
Yeah, one a little bit farther out, 1 o'clock, and one a little bit closer.
It's over there. Oops.
So right now we're gonna go ahead and
Bobby,
See it running up,
oh, there too.
Sit me right down and he talked to me. Oh, he told me that I ought not to let you just walk on me. And I'm sure he meant well. Yeah, but when I talk was true.
We are trying to spot the dolphins.
he's about 11 o'clock now off the front left, but he's heading towards us.